Well, he tried turning back there, and then he...
Encourage these Cowboys. Here we go. Bringing the action to the arena. Turns back away from his hand, jerks him down a little quick. You see our two Cowboy protectors slide in there. Right towards the bull. No score for that Cowboy. So far, Miller Rodeo Company Bulls 2, Cowboys 0.
Come on, Connor.
Bar W Monster Dad Woolley. Bring us this one. Well, he's going to come down on the fence. Get a little love tap. Go away with a 0 tonight. How about it for the man from Nebraska? It'll be a 0 on the scoreboard.
That calls for the animal. Here we go. Get out over your bull rope, Cowboy, and ride. Another one comes down a little too soon. No score for that Cowboy.
You're spoiled. You're spoiled rotten. Yes, you are. Hey, Mama don't need horses with you.
No, see, that's what I said.